In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Dimensions on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about LEGO Dimensions and how you can properly access the game on an Xbox One or even a newer gen Xbox Series X or S console. So the first thing that I want to make very obvious is that if you try to go over to the Microsoft Store, either on the website or on your console, and you look for the game, even though you might be able to find the game, you will be able to see screenshots, videos, and so on, you will notice that usually it is not going to be available. So you will not be able to purchase the game through the digital storefront on the Microsoft Store. In here, however, you can browse through add-ons and you can get some of these add-ons for free. So for example, Sonic the Hedgehog, Harry Potter, and so on. But to actually play LEGO Dimensions, you will need a disc. There is no way around this, and sadly, as it stands today, the only option that you have if you want to play LEGO Dimensions on an Xbox One is going to be to purchase a disc. So the best course of action would be to go to a website like eBay and look for copies here. As long as you are able to purchase a disc of the game, you will be able to use it on an Xbox console that has the disc reader, and you will be able to play. You will have access to all of the things included in the game, and of course, you might want to acquire the toy pad as well. So remember all of that. But to keep it simple and answer the question in the title of this video, you will need a disc. The game has never been available digitally, and you will only be able to play if you use a disc on any compatible Xbox console. After you do this, the game should automatically update, set it up. You will be able to download the add-ons for free, like I mentioned. So even though you cannot acquire the game, you can still acquire the add-ons digitally, and you will be able to play using your disc. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Dimensions on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.